What is up, YouTube? This is my first video and it'll be on MLB9INNINGS19. I'll be doing a mega pack opening, but first, let's combine some players. I find the combination of players in this game to be kind of trash, but I guess that's only for basic players because they really don't tell you if you're going to get a good combination or not. But I guess that's the lottery you play when you do these things. At this point, I'm just trying to get players out of my player reserves so I can open up these packs. Okay, now we can just combine with these silver players. No diamonds. There's nothing really good here that I want to get. Maybe Brick Garden, that's about it. We got W. Smith, whatever. Guerrero, I think I have one of these. I have one of these cards already. Strata. Let's put these 4 gold. Anything good? Ooh! M. Gibbons. Or Adams. Adams looks good because of the versatility. Alright, let's go big money. Alright, Urias. Could have been worse. Put these guys together. And we get Mini Martin. We get Kennedy. Alright. I think we're ready to start opening the packs. I've been collecting packs for about so far up until the MLB season, and this is what I've gotten so far. There it is. Nope. Good crap. There are these. Oh, I guess I could have called basic packs. I also use the intermediate players. This could be good. Silver, a gold, alright. 2 more silver, that's pretty good. But then a bronze. Alright. We got a live intermediate player packs. Nothing good. Then we made 10 premium player packs. I'm hoping for something good. Ooh! Alright, oh my god, that's a shitty diamond. Come on. Give me a diamond, give me a good one. And then what was that good? Okay. Then we got team selective packs. I'm just gonna go Red Sox, because that's for 2-9. Right, yeah. Barely. I wish I could use like all of them on one team. But whatever. Do it one at a time. Give it price. But that's what makes it stick they got off. As we can. That's the reason pretty good this season. So far at least. Back in and Sox again. Blake's really hurt. Okay, still pretty good. Now we got premium batter packs. Nothing good. Premium pitcher packs. And we gotta go combine. Now we gotta go combine players again. We'll just go to these crappy players. Pretty sure I could sell these players. I can I might do that. I think I'm going to combine the bronze, the basics now. I could get some more coins. Let's go. Back them and then we'll just start selling some guys. Good. Ooh! I want the Ian Kinsler. Oh, we just gotta get lucky. Let's go! Let's fucking go! Ian Kinsler, what a cop. I swear I have this resin bug guy already. Guess again? Jose Iglesias, whatever. Alright, it's getting worse. Let's toss it in the queue. I want this Carlos Santana or Trevor Story. Close my eyes here, and I can't see it, but close my eyes. And I get possibly worse. Nope, no, I could get worse. So, it was okay. Wasn't anything good. Oh, get another box. Nothing good here again. I mean, I was better, but yeah, Anderson. Nathan Eovaldi? Maybe. Wade Miley. I forget, where do you go after you're in Boston? Pat Nish. Guess things gonna go here. Damn it! Corey Dickerson. Let's see. Dickerson, McCann, and DeGrom. Bang, bang, bang. And we get shit. And we get the worst card possible. Thanks. But at least we still got the Ian Kinsler and we more packs to open, so that's fine. Premium pitcher packs. Ooh, big money. Clay Colts. 14, not bad. And Petite over here. Pretty good. And then we got some silver player packs. Maybe. That's a nice Greg Holland. And then, yeah, but that's a nice Greg Hall. Ronnie Acuna Jr. Player of the month card. Alright. And then, alright. Gold player pack. Maybe we can get some good. Maybe. Come on. Nope. We get AS. Also, come on. Let's get lucky. Nope. Oh, we get no, it was a greasy time. But the highlight of the video, Diamond Player Pack. Who are we gonna get? Oh my, a relief pitcher, come on. Oh, that's alright, whatever. Let's just use lotto tickets. Then we'll go buy packs. Oh, cool. Ass. Not bad at all. Only lucky in the silver ones though. Yeah, 69. Nice. We got. Oh, after whatever. Well, let's go watch some packs. Nothing good. agents don't need starting pitchers. Alright. Live or regular? I'm gonna go with a regular. But let's buy 10 of these. I got my stars. Ooh! It's a nice Clayton Kershaw right there. And that's it, but it's kind of worth it. We have no stars left. I mean, what can we do with coin in this game? Let's buy people. Yeah, the server.